We were intending to fly out over the sea from Aldinga Beach, but found it was a bit windy and gusty, so changed our minds and headed for a safer field beside the wetlands on Hart Road. So taking it up in the air, the first thing I did was head it directly into the wind to get an idea of how strong it was and how gusty. Worst case, I'd see the drone pushed backwards or flip around a bit with gusts. As it turned out, it was perfectly steady, so happy with that. I turned around and headed downwind across the wetlands and had a really good fly. Normally we wouldn't come back to a location a few weeks after the first time we flew it, but this turned out to be a good day. The other thing that happened, as well as being less windy, a little bit inland from the coast, the sun came out a bit more, so overall good conditions and a good afternoon's flying. So I'll put some music over it and leave you with it.
You